In this video, we will discuss about Android Studio's menus and toolbars. Most features of the IDE can be accessed via the menu, a toolbar icon, or even a keyboard shortcut. Let's say for instance that you want to open a file. By using the menu, we just need to go to the file and then choose Open. And that will display the Open File or Project dialog. I'll close that, and this time I will use the toolbar icon to achieve the same result. And the same dialog is displayed. If we take a look at the file menu, this contains usual file operations like opening, saving, closing, importing, exporting, and so on. Many of these features are also available through keyboard shortcuts. The edit menu looks pretty standard also. This contains the usual features like copying, pasting or cutting text, and many other features. The view menu lets you select the tool window that you want to look at. You can achieve the same result by clicking the icon in the lower left corner. The navigate menu lets you search for various assets. So for example, if I want to find the main activity Java class of my app, I will select that option and then will enter the name of the class. Next, I can click it or select it with the keyboard, and that file will be opened in the editor window. Next, there's the code menu, which offers options for modifying your code, and the analyze menu will give you options to analyze it. The refactor menu lets you change your code in various ways. For instance, if I select refactor this, a new menu is displayed that lets you perform several code modifications like renaming variables or methods and so on. The build menu lets you build your project or generate a signed APK, and the run menu lets you run your project. The tools menu gives you access to several Android components like the SDK manager, the AVD manager, and so forth. VCS lets you manage your version control. Several options like GitHub or Subversion are available. The window menu lets you manage your current Windows layout. And finally, the help menu offers you more information about Android Studio. You can also access the default K-map reference by using this menu. This will display a PDF file containing the most important keyboard shortcuts. There are two versions of this PDF, one for Windows and Linux and another one for Mac OS X. I highly advise you to learn some of these shortcuts, as this will significantly increase your efficiency with Android Studio. And this was a brief introduction on how to access the most important features of Android Studio via the menu, the toolbar, or keyboard shortcuts. Thanks for watching.